Here we have a 21 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE 30D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £11,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the visibility packages, we also have the technology package and the M Sport Pro package. Now we do also have the 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We have the Arctic grey exterior paintwork, LED headlights, we have the gloss black front grills and also front splitter as well, which is part of the M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Coming round to the passenger side, you'll find we have the twin axle air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower. We have the side skirts running along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the black roof rails with the panoramic glass sunroof. It's currently open, can also get put onto a tilt, and it does also have the sky lounge. We have the shark fin antennae and rear spoiler. Now we also have the 360-degree cameras with the parking sensors and a visual display inside. We have the Drawlegs M Sports exhaust system, the rear diffuser and a power operated tailgate which is split. Coming back round to the driver's side, you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look now at the interior, so coming into the back first, you'll find we have the full black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We do also have the M Sport style seat belts. We have the climate control, the vents just there for the rear passengers, brush metal door handles, electric windows and ambient lighting on the doors. Now taking a look at the front, you can find the same leather seats. There is a look at both of them, both of which are heated and also electrically adjustable, with the memory function for the driver's side, Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows, with the automatic lights down here, automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Steering wheel is electrically adjustable with the stalk just down there. We also have the cruise control and speedometer on the left, high beam assist on that stalk there, and of course the paddle shifters either side. Now you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the heads-up display just up here, if the camera can pick it up. If any lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Got the sat-nav navigation just here, along with the other features with the buttons. Click onto media, you find the radio stations along with the other media options on the left. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if we then go up to car, onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting, many colours which you can go through on here. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down you find the climate control for the front passengers, heated seat buttons either side and the ice-cold air conditioning all working as they should do. Further down we have the automatic gearbox just here with the different drive modes, so you can just quickly press onto these buttons and it will switch between the different drive modes. Also change the look of the dashboard, as you can see as we flick through them. We also have the air suspension just here as well, so you can tap that to lower or raise the vehicle. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the reversing camera. Put it back into drive, change it to the front facing camera. But you also have the 3D view, so if you go over to the left, you'll find the 3D view. You can go all the way around the vehicle, 360 degrees, and you can see all the cameras work just as you'd expect them to. We then have the car wash view as well, which is a top down view of the front end. If you put it back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake, auto hold button, hill descent control, and finally the armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW X5 XDRIVE 30D M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm now to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side. If you want to set the car into manual mode, simply tap on the pedals and it will change gear. We have the cruise control and the speedometer buttons here on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons and phone connectivity on the right. Digital dashboard as well in front of us, which can show different displays that we would have seen on the walk around video. Above there we also have the heads-up display, which is currently showing the speed limit for this current road, along with the digital speedometer. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible, and if you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, really comfortable, could easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we also have many more features on the interior of this vehicle. We do have the panoramic glass sunroof, which can slide all the way open. Also has the sky lounge, which looks really nice, especially at night time, along with the ambient lighting running all throughout the interior as well. We have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which is currently showing the sat nav. Also has many more features on there. Again, you would have seen on the photos. For example, we have the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so much more. We have the intelligent safety system as well, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And of course we have the automatic gearbox, which is really smooth through all the gears, along with all the different drive modes. Now we are about to take a right hand turn, so we've got our right indicator on. We'll start to slow down, and then we're going to wait for this car to go past before we can make the right hand turn. So taking the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and then I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We have the reversing camera appear on the screen. Back into drive, it changes to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.